offering us a little ray of sunshine. Morning.
Good morning to you, Sally. There's quite a lot of sunshine out there this morning, actually, across many parts of the country. Here's the scene out there at the moment in Cambridgeshire, captured by one of our weather watchers, and similar blue skies across many parts of the country. Slightly cloudier at times in the south, but it's another dry day to come. Quite a breezy feel to the weather too. So we've got high pressure in charge sitting off to the north of the UK. An area of low pressure out in the Atlantic is going to try and move in towards the southwest later on in the day. But before it gets there, quite a breeze coming in from the east. Quite a chilly start to the day across Scotland too, but plenty of sunshine here, fairly light winds too. Sunshine too across parts of Northern Ireland and much of Northern England. After that fairly fresh start to the day, it will warm up fairly nicely, particularly in the west. Heading further south, we've got a little bit more cloud here, but certainly that cloud is quite thin and there'll be more sunshine compared to recent days for the likes of London, for instance. Down towards the far southwest, it's quite breezy and quite cloudy too. So we've got that easterly breeze, so it'll make things feel quite chilly along the east coast today, whereas further west, that's where you'll see the warmest of the weather developing. So for the likes of the west of Wales and western Scotland too, we could see temperatures of around 18 or 19 degrees. Typically further east, where you feel that breeze coming in from the North Sea, only around about 11 to 13. But it is a brighter day than it has been recently in the south. Then as we head through this evening and overnight, we'll start to see more cloud filtering in across East Anglia, the Midlands, Wales, Northern England. Could be the odd spot of drizzle here. And we're also seeing that front approaching the southwest, bringing some rain across parts of Cornwall and the Channel Isles too. Scotland, though, seeing another quite fresh start to the day, so there could be a touch of frost here. So heading through Saturday then, we've got low pressure trying to move in from the southwest, still high pressure off towards the north, but it will be a slightly different day for parts of Northern England, the Midlands, Wales and Northern Ireland. We've got a cloudier zone of weather here, perhaps the odd spot of drizzle. To the north of that though, Scotland having another sunny and bright day, and further south there'll be a little bit more sunshine also across the southeast of England towards South Wales too, but to the far south, some patchy rain again for the far southwest of England towards the Channel Isles too. Temperatures around about 16 or 17 degrees, but slightly cooler in the northeast where you've got that breeze coming in from the North Sea. So heading through to Sunday, low pressure clears off towards the near continent, and then we're left with another largely dry day. So a pretty decent looking day on Sunday. You'll notice those wind arrows coming in from a north or northeasterly direction, so quite chilly, just around about 9 to 12 degrees around the east coast. But away from the east coast, we could well see 17 or 18 degrees with light winds too. So it is looking like a pretty pleasant day on Sunday. And with high pressure sticking around, you won't be too surprised to hear that the largely dry and settled theme continues into next week too. Back to Charlie and Sally.
Sarah, thank you.
Sarah, thanks very much. Time now, 6:04.